First little bit of video clip on my Sony A7 III. Right, I'm just doing a second little test now. Obviously I've moved position and I'm stood next to the window. Again, it's not an ideal setup, but I just want to see what the quality is like and what will happen if I move nearer the camera. Will the camera keep my face in focus? So let's just have a look. Is it in focus? Who knows? I've got a lot of learning to do on this camera and I can't wait to get out and about and make some videos. Now then, where are we? I am in my little office and I'm going to make an appointment to get this tooth fixed. I'm getting ready to travel again, so it's time to get it done. I made a series of videos last year in Thailand with the tooth missing, and I was a bit conscious of it as I was wandering around. I know the girls aren't interested. You've got a tooth missing, but for me personally, it made me feel a little bit conscious. So I'm going to go and book that. Also, today I'm going to redesign and tidy this office because it is an absolute tip. Now then, where are we? I'm heading to Morecambe for the very first photo shoot on my new Sony A7 III. Just going to take a few snaps, a few little video clips. Obviously, I've got to learn how to use the camera properly, so it's all trial and error today. But I've been looking forward to this for the last 3 days because it's been the weekend and I've been doing other things, and hopefully on Thursday I will take my camera up to the Lake District and do some up there as well. I hate it when it's sunny like this because all the screens are hazy. So get my strap wrapped around my wrist, so if they want to take this, they've got to cut my arm off. I'm going to do the dog. But I'm going to get a shot with this guy here with the hat on. Can I take a snap, pal? Can I take a picture with the hat and everything? Yeah. Alright, mate. Cheers, mate. Nice. I just bought this, I'm testing it out.
Oh, right, fair enough.
So, we're off fishing?
Yeah, just off down the beach. I was at the pier this morning, but I didn't get nothing off.
Right.
Around 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I went and got some lunch and we're going to catch low tide.
Yeah, I used to do it when I was a young lad. I used to lugworm and ragworm.
Yeah.
But that was a bit rare to get, that ragworm.
I've got ragworms in the bag.
Oh, have you dug it? Or?
Someone else has.
Oh, yeah.
I I've got squid and I've got, well, I'm going to bait up for crabs, hopefully.
Right. Yeah, we used to go out off the stone jetty.
Yeah, that's where I was, the stone
But we
jetty
only
this morning.
used to catch flies and eels, and that was it.
Oh no, I've got smooth owls this morning.
Right.
I've caught bass here before, so.
Have you? Yeah.
Yeah, big ones, so.
Yeah. But the only thing I can remember, we used to put them tracers on, cast out, and I used to get caught all the time. We used to
Yeah.
lose a lot of gear.
Yeah, it's quite sandy here, so I should be alright.
Yeah. But we were probably, we was only young, 14, 15, we'd have been doing it wrong.
Yeah.
So. Alright, pal, thank you.
See you later.
We'll do a wide angle. That's nice, that. Right, there's some sort of incident happening with the lifeboat. So let's go have a look. Obviously if someone's in distress I won't be taking pictures of it. I Insta360 off because it was overheating and the battery ran down a little bit. So let's get a survey the scene here, people watching.
Yeah, just out there, the stone jetty up there.
Yeah. You see now that's recording you now. If you look on there,
I can't see.
no, but it's a bit darker.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.